first thing I see when I looked at your profile is your face. I hope your smiling face. Please don't be one of those people who doesn't include a photo. You can decide who sees it. LinkedIn has settings to allow everyone to see it or only certain people. Please make sure your photo is visible in any messages you send to other people and is visible to your contacts, your connections. If you're comfortable, let everybody see you. Now, when I said smiling face, I really meant smiling, because in Canada, for cultural reasons, we expect a smile. We don't want the mouth level or turned down. We want a little bit of up curve at the corners of your mouth. That tells us, that's Canadian code for I'm a friendly person and you're going to enjoy working with me. If you're not sure what to do for your photo, look at other people's photos in their profiles. Search for people in your profession, get an idea of the clothing, the look, or have a look at some of the top people on LinkedIn. Go to the search field and type in influencers. This will take you to some of the highest profile people out there on LinkedIn. They've all got really good quality photos. And you'll look, you'll see, they're all smiling.
So to develop a compelling profile, we'll start really with the absolute basics. Your profile in LinkedIn is your online resume. It has to be detailed, it has to be complete. You want it to show who you are. So when we talk about starting with the basics, the most basic thing, obviously, the first thing that you do is you put in your name. The second thing you should do is to put in a good photo. And it sounds like maybe that's assumed that many people would do that. Some people don't, though, and I think it's such a basic place to start. You do want to have a photo of yourself, and that photo that you choose, it should demonstrate how you see yourself and how you want others to see you as well, okay? So what I'm trying to say here is that the pictures that you might put on Facebook of what you did on the weekend, or like hanging out with your friends or whatever, that's not the kind of photo that you want for LinkedIn. So I tend to think you want a photo that is like chest and above. You don't need a full body shot for LinkedIn. You want it to be like really just your face, a nice close-up, like a professional photo. Something that your mother would be proud to look at is what you want this thing to look like, right? Not something that's going to be like potentially embarrassing. And I mention that it sounds like such a basic thing to say, but when I as a hiring manager look at people's LinkedIn profiles, there are so many people that have their name only. And of course that's basic, it's kind of okay, but you're missing a huge opportunity to show employers what you look like, and as I said a moment ago, how you see yourself, how you want them to see you, okay?